Financial managers are Pippin Guysmore, Amelia Finley, and Hallie Wright.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Hey Falcons, make sure to pre-order your Gold Out shirt through September 17th. And if not, go to your lunch September 19th to the 23rd so you can get your own Gold Out t-shirt. 100% of the profits go to St. Jude, so make sure you get a shirt.
DECA is about building your network,
becoming professionals,
making a difference, and making it big. We are problem solvers,
influencers,
marketing geniuses,
emerging leaders,
and entrepreneurs.
It's an organization designed for students
that prepares us to be experienced leaders,
leaders who excel in school
and are ready for professional careers.
Expand your network.
Sharpen your skills.
become a standout leader.
Be the boss.
DECA can help you get the edge.
But more than that, it's a place where we have fun.
Turn it up! Let's just see how high we can go. Turn it up! No stopping till we lose all control. Turn it up! Until we feel it down in our soul.
DECA is an organization with limitless opportunities. Regardless of what career you want to pursue, there's always something to help you get the edge. DECA has allowed me to go out of my comfort zone and really learn how to meet new people.
DECA has given me the confidence to grow my leadership potential.
Through DECA, I was able to discover what I'm truly passionate about.
DECA conference has helped me make lifelong friendships that I'll cherish forever.
Very VIP.
Let's just see how high we can go. Turn it up! No stopping till we lose all control. Turn it up! Until we feel it down in our soul.
DECA prepares emerging leaders and entrepreneurs
For careers in marketing,
Finance,
Hospitality, and management.
This is it. DECA is the real deal.
Joining DECA is always better. You just have to be willing to do the work.
Are you ready to be a part of DECA?
Don't be basic. Join DECA.
Bet.
Hey CCHS! DECA has their first meeting Wednesday, September 21st from 4 to 5 in the lecture hall. If you miss it, you can go talk to Miss J in M104. Thanks!
Falcons, starting Monday, students can go and get 1 free state fair tickets during lunches. Go Falcons!
Project graduation is a big party at Main Event for seniors on the night of their graduation. Main Event is reserved just for Timber Creek, and you can play all the games like bowling, laser tag, billiards, arcade video games, and the rope course. It's all unlimited. Plus, you can have all the pizza you want at night and all the breakfast you want in the morning. The best part, you can win free stuff like computers, AirPods, luggage, TVs, gift cards, and so much more.
You can increase your odds of winning by earning raffle tickets through volunteering from Project Grad, posting pictures of Project Grad events, retweeting posts related to Project Grad, or when your friend mentions your name when they buy their Project Grad ticket. New ways will be posted on social media of how you can get these.
Our social media info and Project Graduation 2023 swag can be found via our QR code. Scan the QR code today, scroll to Need to Contact Us, enter your name, school email address, and TCTV announce in the comment section for 10 free raffle tickets. There's only one entry per student, but there will be an opportunity coming up.
Yo, FBLA meeting Thursday, September 29th, 4:05 and 4:40, room N203. Be there or be square.
Wrestling will be holding their annual Pancake breakfast on Friday, October 7th from 7 to 8:30 a.m. It'll be at the south entrance. Tickets will go on sale for $5 a plate and will be on pre-sale starting September 19th. For any questions, ask Coach Parker.